Hey Frappes, what's up? I'm super excited today because I got my first femaler in the mail. Now I know y'all probably like, what's a femaler? Basically, it's like a lifestyle subscription and think curl box, but instead, this one was made by black women for black women. So every 3 months, each season, you get this in the mail. And so I'm gonna unbox this today and show you guys what I got from my first mailer. Now, they're not out of stock, so you can still order for the June box. If you like what I unboxed in this, you can still get it. It's not out. And the next box, will receive it in September, December, so on and so forth. So let's get into this. I'm actually really excited. I love the packaging first and foremost. Very pretty colors, very complimentary. I really am excited about Femaler because it's created by black women, so it'll be for me. I have looked into subscription boxes before only because I'm somebody who likes to get things in the mail as a surprise. Like, I don't know, it became a thing in college just to see your name on the board and you got a package. Like, I want to get packages. And so it's just like a cute little surprise. And the thing that it's made for me makes it even better because you can subscribe to these subscription packages and they'll send you like blue lipstick. Not knocking it if it's for you, but I can't see myself wearing blue lipstick. So I'm very excited about this. Look at this little Zora. It's already giving me vibes, bro. There's afros on the front. Nah. And guess what? I got this for $30. So just hold on. Let's see what's in here. I swear you guys, I don't know what's in here. Like, I promise you. Don't keep it a secret. Snap a pic of yourself with your femaler. Share on your social. Sis, I got you. Get your glow on with your summer femaler. Look at these ladies. Y'all, representation is so important today. Like, y'all see what's been going on. It's not today. It's been important forever. And it will stay important. I want to see people who look like me on what I'm using and what I'm purchasing. Period. Okay, so we have our founder here. Thank you for joining. With everything happening in the world, now more than ever, I want to make sure you know how beautiful you truly are. From the coils in your hair to the rich melanin in your skin, you were beautifully and wonderfully made. For our introductory femaler, I've curated a mailer with amazing products that will have your curls popping, skin glowing, and inner social warrior speaking out for justice. These products get our stamp of approval, and I can't wait to see how great they look on you. From Ashley. This is like really dope, y'all. Yo, let's see what's in here. So it comes in this cute little bag. Don't touch my bag, period. And this is cute because like when things come in a package, they just wrap it in bubble wrap, all your products. And then you just got mad products sitting in bubble wrap. I could reuse this bag over and over. This is a bonus to me. They knew what they was doing with this. Okay, first we got Shadabi. Vegan, natural, and pure hair, skin, and nails whole food vitamins. I haven't used these. I'm very delighted to see these tablets are very big, but I don't mind. Could crush it, put it in your food, drink it with some water. Yeah. We're going to get into these one day. Vitamins. This is, Urban Skin RX Balm Skin Care. Yes. Even Tone Cleansing Bar. Brightens and improves uneven skin tone. So I got this little baby here. Sis! They give it out Cream of Nature like that? Bro, do y'all know how much this should be on its own? This is over $30 on its own, these three right here. Oh no, they got me. They got the extra firm hold one too. You cannot tell me you have found a box that's just gonna send you edge control and some girls with froze on it. I'm not even finna. I got a nice little headband so I can put my puff up. You see her right there? I'm eating this up. I love this so much right now. This is beautiful. I'm gonna cry thinking about it. All right, this is Lid Glitz Eye Appeal by Black Radiance. So y'all know I don't do makeup, but definitely can hand this out to my mom. And that's what's great about this. This is so diverse. I have hair stuff, I have vitamins, I have skin stuff, I have lifestyle stuff. Bringing this purse when I go out. So even if something's not for you, you can hand that over to somebody in your family. Like, hey girl, hey ma, I got this for you. Try this out. Let me know how you like it. So I'll definitely give this to my mom. It looks pretty though. This says Out of the Blue Light Up High Shine Lip Gloss. We finna see. Hold on, y'all. I'm so excited. My hands are shaking. Like, I'm OD excited. Y'all, it's nude. This is what I said. Like, I cannot have blue lipstick or something. This is a new lip gloss. And this says Peel Off. It looks like a mirror. Hold on. Let me see. I don't want to mess it up. It's a mirror. It's a nude. Hold on. I'm trying to see what's going on here. There's a little button on the top. Yo, this little pop light up, and you got the mirror for it. Oh, they know what they was doing. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Nah, yo, who got light up lip gloss, bro? Nobody. Me, I do. Where's this from? I ain't never heard of nothing like this. Out of the Blue. Yo, this is really goals. Like, that's beautiful. Yo, I might write an email to the CEO because, sis. Need I say more? It's a whole leave-in just sitting in my bag, bro. Like, how did they pack all of this into this bag? Either way, y'all already know. Get y'all's. That's Cream of Nature's Honey Leave-In Conditioner. Black Girls Matter. All my college sisters, y'all can put this on your laptop. Let them know. Put this on the back of your phone case. I might actually do that. This is beautiful. This is great representation. Like, I'm eating this up. It's amazing. A necklace. It says Blessed. And it says Little Femaler up there. Guys, I'm so happy with this. Like, I can't stop smiling. I really, really like this a lot. I might not even throw out the little card in the back that says Femaler. This is really some dope, like, I feel like this was sent to me from, like, a friend. Like, this literally says me all over it. Like, I didn't request for these items. None of that. Like, this was made with me in mind. And I really love that. I really do. All of this for $30. Blessed. So that's Femaler. I don't even know what to say. This is amazing. But so to get a Femaler, you go on the website myfemaler.com. And it's beautiful, great design, amazing. And you just go check it out, do some research, look around, see what the messages are all about. It's beautiful, it truly is. And then you go ahead and get yours. Oh, this says hemp on it. Sorry, I get too distracted. And then you can also use my code, Mocha, have it in the description box, to get 10% off on your first mailer. And then, girl, just rock out and enjoy this, because this is great, honestly. I'm so proud to be seeing things like this in my lifetime, and I can't wait for me to have children and to, like, provide them with all this representation, because it's a great value to me. Well, that's it. That's it, frat babes. I'm excited, but I'll see y'all on my next Femaler. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.